Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Hina Shah and today I'm going to show you how to calculate your age in just 2 button clicks using Power Query. But before we get started, if you have not seen our previous video on Power Query, then check out the link below in description box. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for our new upcoming videos. So let us start now. Now if you see on my screen, I have some names written over here and the date of birth. Now these date of birth are written in such a format that it should match with your system date format. That is, my system date format is DDMMY. Then only you will be able to calculate the age. So the traditional way to calculate age is using dated if function. So how to do that is equal to dated if bracket open. Now you have to select the date of birth for which you want to calculate the age, comma. Now here the next argument what you have to select is today's date. That is, you are calculating the age from this particular date of birth till today. So here I'll be using today function inside a dated if function, then again a comma, and in which format you want an output. That is, whether you want it in days format or months format or years. So I'll be mentioning in quoted commas years, that is Y, and inverted comma close, bracket close, and enter. So this is how you can calculate age using dated if function. Now, let me show you how to calculate your age in just 2 button clicks by using Power Query. So, place your cursor anywhere inside the data, go to the data tab and click from table. Now, what this option will do, it will convert your data into a table format. And this will open a Power Query editor. Now here if you notice that Power Query editor has already given the data types to your respective columns depends on the data mentioned inside it. That is, here if you see there is written ABC, that is the text format is applied to this column, and here since it is a date of birth, date and time, if you see there is a calendar and a clock icon given over here. But to calculate age, I need to convert this data type from date and time to only date. So how to do that? You have to click on this icon and select date from here. Now Power Query editor will ask you, do you want to replace the current step? As I said that Power Query automatically gives the data type to your data. So do you want to replace that current step or you want to add a new step? So I'll just say I want to replace the current step, and your column will be converted into a date format. Now, to calculate the age, select the date of birth column, click on Add Column tab, go to the date and time function and select date and click on age. Now age has been calculated, but it is in number of days and I want it in number of years. So for that what you have to do is you have to select this age column. Again in the date and time function, if you notice that duration tab has been enabled. So if you click on that, you get the option total years. Select that total years option and your age has been calculated in number of years. But again there is a problem that it is counted in decimal numbers. I wanted it in whole numbers. So what you have to do is click on this decimal value 1.2 and select whole number. Now your age has been calculated in number of years. Once you're done with this, click on Home tab and select Close and Load, and your data will be loaded back to Excel. That's all for this video.